I've got another great World War II reenactment video for you guys. If you've ever wondered what it might look like if you could go back in time and hand a GoPro to a US soldier fighting in Operation Cobra, well, nothing can match that exactly until I get my time machine working, but this is about as close as you can get. Like my past few videos, this footage is from a tactical reenactment held at the Camp Atterbury military base last fall. I was attached to our weapons section for this portion of the fighting, so you'll see me carrying around some ammo cans for our 30 caliber machine gun. But without any further ado, let's see some simulated World War II combat.
I'll stay with them, cover that big ass trail.
Yep. You all right? Yep.
And you hang back here with the gun team. You guys are coming with me. We're pushing into the wood line here, start making our way up. You guys are going to cover our movement, okay? All right. Okay, let's go. Further up this way, we can get across at a shallow point. Okay. Or we can take the opening here. We'll push out onto the road here and just use it for speed. Okay. Get across. Whenever we book it out onto the road here,
yep.
I want you to run back. I want the gun team know to start moving up here. That way we can land this defense up here.
Sure. What do you see?
We got one down up there. Move up to me. His head up there.
Do you want to try to pop out and hightail it back to the gun crew?
If you can, get back there. Tell them we got one wounded. And we'll go check out this German if we can. But
okay. If I get shot at, I'm going to take my hit though, so you might be on your own. Alright, I'm going to move. Alright, so you guys just saw I got shot trying to run back to the MG squad there. It probably seemed like a dumb move to run out in the open like that, and it was. But to be fair, we didn't have that many options here. You might be saying, why didn't you just go back the way you came? But that sequence where we were walking through the woods was cut down a lot. We actually spent like 20 to 25 minutes fighting through thick brush to get to where we were, and I wasn't about to take all that time to try to get back and find our team. For this event, we were all given wound cards, so if you thought you got hit, you were supposed to pull out this card and it would tell you what your injury was. Well, when I opened mine up here, it just said dead on it, so I just took a 10 to 15 minute nap laying in the dirt here and then walked back and met up with my team. By the time I met up with my group, they were moving into a new position to fight off some German vehicles that were coming up the road. So I followed them across the stream and got into position. One thing you didn't see in those past clips is that my boot actually ripped open while I was running around. So I had this big hole in my boot and had to walk through the water and soak my feet, but that's just the way it goes. Shout out to this guy. I can't remember his name for the life of me, but he was super friendly and taped up my boots for me later that day, and that was a lifesaver for the rest of this event.
All right, set up that MGs. Defend and hold this position. Looks like we got armor up ahead.
There's armor up there.
Yep. Hey, he asked for it.
Here, Jordan.
I'll take it. Chase, you want to wire me up, fella? Where should I go?
Hold on. Get the fuck out of the way.
Clear. Middle of the street. Stay clear, guys. Stay clear. Got Luke coming down the road. On the other side of the sky. Let me know when.
Everybody give covering fire in 3, 2, 1.
Covering fire! Covering fire! Go!
Wound card, what do you say? Seriously?
Was there not one in there?
No, it says nut shot. That's some bullshit.
My card just says dead on it.
Yours just said Zed.
Yeah, it has an X on the body, but then it just says dead.
They're moving. Push up, push up!
Hey, let's push up.
Push
Start
up.
moving.
Once he starts backing up, push up!
So the enemy started to pull back here to regroup, and we slowly started proceeding forward. We took that opportunity to reload, refill our canteens, our assistant gunner recovered from his nut shot, and we processed some German soldiers who surrendered after the fighting. Papieren? Papieren?
Jawohl. Das ist meine Papiere.
We checked these POWs quickly for intel and had a look at their paperwork, but before long we were on to our next objective, which was holding a crossroads to keep it out of German hands. I didn't start recording until the Germans were attacking us at the crossroads, so you'll be thrown right into the action here. We're gonna have to get out of here or something.
Yeah. Try to make a run for it, try to grab the
After hearing that MG42, we all just kind of accepted our fate and died right there. The 30 cal machine gun had jammed up there and they're trying to sort that out. So we just kind of signaled to this half track that we knew we were out and stayed there on the ground. That's all the footage I have from this fighting here, but I do still have some more footage from this reenactment that I'll be editing and posting soon. So make sure you're subscribed so you see that when I post it. If you have any questions about what you saw, leave them in the comments below. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one.